SAFE Act is a law, and I have to enforce the law as being a sheriff. I will protect your constitutional rights. I will protect the Second Amendment right. But I cannot go against the SAFE Act. As being a sheriff, you have laws to obey by. There are laws out there, like the SAFE Act, that you have to obey by. I will protect the Second Amendment right of the people. I will not let people, somebody come knocking on your door and taking your guns away. But understand this, as a sheriff, I have to enforce the laws that are here, that are in effect. I cannot fix that. I've got to do what the laws say to do. Thank you.
You said on 2 occasions up on the stage that you would both protect the constitutional rights of the people of Orleans County and enforce the SAFE Act.
That's correct.
How do you reconcile those two things?
Well, like I said, there's laws that I have to obey by being the sheriff. I mean, and
if you're enforcing the SAFE Act, you are not protecting the constitutional rights of your
well, that's
citizens.
a matter of opinion.
It's not a matter of opinion. I can read,
I'm
I
not
can
here to
reason.
argue with you.
So,
Okay? The thing of it is, I will protect your Second Amendment rights.
how?
Okay?
If you're enforcing the SAFE Act, how are you protecting the Second Amendment rights of anybody?
You tell me why people need an assault weapon. All right?
Where does the Second Amendment say anything about anybody needing anything? I don't need a right to vote. I don't need a right to own property. I don't need a right to free assembly. But though I don't have to justify my rights based on a need. There's no.
Nobody said you have to justify your
You just said who needs.
Don't put words in my mouth.
You just said why does anybody need an assault weapon? One, it's not an assault weapon. You and I both know it's not an assault weapon.
What is it?
It is not an assault weapon.
What is it?
You are
What is
making up a term.
What is an assault weapon?
What is classified as an assault weapon under the New York SAFE Act is not an assault weapon.
It isn't. It's got a collapsible stock.
That is not true. An assault weapon, the definition of an assault weapon, the accepted definition until it became bastardized by politicians was that it must be able to go between fully automatic, 3-round bursts, and semi-automatic. Nothing.
What's about the collapsible stock?
Does
Does that make an assault weapon?
No, it does not make an
Do your
assault weapon.